Hello, this is Juan with Incredible giving result in the first 30 days. I want to show you something, okay? 484. The lowest you could go is 300. February 20, 2020, 484 credit score. We keep going down. We had Capital One, Indigo, Click Bank, Credit One Bank, First Premier Bank. If we go over here on Auto, we had a 5-star bank. Auto is a charge off, it's negative, okay? So you are able to see all of this negative information that was being reported. All of this one is in green, is great, but look at this. Auto repo, charge off, First Premier Bank, loan, credit cards, all of this information. When it comes to, we had account relay 7 late payment, and this is what we had on February 20, 484 credit score. But look at this. Today's date, I'm gonna put it, let's put it over here, March 28, 186 point down, went up, and look at this, all that account that was negative, everything has been deleted, everything is great, nothing else, everything is perfect. This is what we do. King Credit Repair will give a result in the first 30 days. If you follow my step, if you don't apply so you don't get stuff messed up, and you listen to me, we'll give you a result. Fix your credit today. Give us a call, 321-438-3028, or call my office at 585-589-8111. Give a result in the first 30 days.